everyone, this is Maria, and in this video I want to show you how I traveled to Russia and how I took with me my cat Boris. Right now I live in Istanbul with my husband, and we decided that this year we want to travel for several months, but the problem is that we have 3 cats and we have no one who can take care of them. So we decided that we will bring them to Russia, to my parents, to Siberia, where we are now. The thing is that we haven't traveled with animals before, so we decided that first I will take Boris by myself alone, and then I will turn back and with my husband we will bring the rest of the cats. And I wanted to check how Boris will take the road. Maybe it will be some difficulties at the airport, I don't know. Everything could happen. But spoiler for you, everything was really good. Boris was super adaptive. I was shocked how easily he adapted to airport, to hotel, to my parents' house. And I made this vlog mostly for myself, for the memories. So maybe it will not be so much aesthetic or cinematic as my previous ones. But I hope you will anyway enjoy it. Boris? I came to Russia, now in Moscow, and the problem is that my flight from Istanbul to Moscow was delayed, like it was 3 hours late, and I didn't catch my plane to Omsk, so I have to wait 1 day in airport hotel, and my guy is with me. He is crying, he wants to go outside, and he is tired from the road. It was his first flight on the plane ever. Now we are going to hotel and we're gonna sleep.
Ну что?
Он кричал.
Ничего, ой, такой хорошенький он, Господи. Боря.
I'm ready to go outside. Today is hot, sunny, and I want to walk in my neighborhood. I want to drink coffee, maybe go to some park. I missed walking in summer Omsk. It's totally different right now than it was in spring. If you remember my previous vlogs from Omsk, I think it was in April, the city was pretty grey and dull and a little bit boring for the eyes, but now it's full green and summer is the best time to be here. So I want to show you this city with totally different vibe. This is pretty old area of the city and I always loved this street. It seems like the time stopped here at some point. And everywhere these poplar trees, I'm not sure that I'm pronouncing it correctly, but because of these trees everywhere is covered with puff. Let me show you. It's sticking to the trees and it's everywhere on the ground. Usually when I'm coming to Omsk, I try every time to visit my teachers at my university. Today they were not there. Unfortunately, I think they are just on holiday. But still it was a nice idea to go to my old campus and to walk down the corridors, remember old times and everything. Now I'm going to visit my grandmother. We will hang out. I miss spending time with her because I used to stay at her house every time I visit Omsk, but this time I'm staying at my mom's apartment because of Boris. I'm helping him to adjust and I don't want to leave him alone.
Приветствую вас.
Первый этаж.
Я на тебя смотрю.
Не на нее смотри, а он на меня смотрит. С тобой. У меня вот такие же были пары.
означает, как ты должна положить руку. Вот две руки, это значит вот ладони с растопыренными пальцами. Вот так вот.